Okay, so yes, this was the last video we discussed nucleoplasm, cytoplasm known as protoplasm, nucleosome, DNA plus histone is known as. We discussed the difference between chromatin and the chromosome. What exactly was the difference? Let me just give a little overview. We know that the chromatin is simply nucleosome chain is known as chromatin. Now, if you're thinking what is nucleosome, I've discussed that in the detail in the last videos. I would suggest you to watch that, but still you have not. Let's see what the nucleosome. Nucleosome is simply which color? Okay. Nucleosome is a term which is DNA plus histone protein. How? If this is the body, this is the histone protein. We know nucleosome is formed by the histone protein, and on the upper side there's a covering of the DNA. Why is the covering? Just because DNA is 2.2 meter long. How long? Like this is very long. So how it is possible to make it present in the cell? So just because that is covered, like the histone protein is covered, so histone DNA plus histone is known as nucleosome. Then we discuss this was a nucleosome, but what was then chromosome was simply when that chromatin is converted to another form, then that form is known as chromosome. Or we can say that the chromatin was the condensed form. Okay, but when it become permanent, when it become like very permanent, not any further changing would be present, permanent during the cell division, that is known as a chromosome. So okay, then we saw like the near nucleus, we have something new present here. You can look into um, near nucleosome. Here you have er is this structure from here to here. Okay, so what is that now? That's ER, endoplasm reticulum. Okay, so let's discuss what is that. We know that the RNA have the few more types. RNA have three more types. We're not going to discuss that in detail, but still, mRNA, tRNA, and the rRNA. So rRNA, like these three are protein. These three are the protein. Okay, these three are the protein, and near that we also have something more. Here's a ribosome. What exactly is a ribosome? Now we'll discuss that as well. So yes, we saw that there was something new to ribosome as well. So these are known as the protein, and protein factory is known as the ribosome. Protein factory is known as the ribosome. Let me just have this picture down so that that's not okay. So you can see here protein synthesis factory is known as a ribosome, and we know that. So ribosome simply makes the rRNA. Ribosome made the rRNA plus protein. Then these both are attached where? These both are attached on this part which is known as ER. Okay, these both are attached with the ER, and then this ER is further divided into two parts. What these two parts are? This is rough endoplasm reticulum, and second is smooth endoplasm reticulum. Rough simply tells the structure, the body is rough, not the flat or smooth. Okay, rough, this means if this is the body, on this you will have some not pores but some structure, so this body become rough. And if you talk about smooth, there's nothing present, this is the complete structure. So here what these are present, these are known as a protein. So rough endoplasm is near this one, and we can say here proteins are present. Okay, when proteins are present, then this ER is known as rough ER, like rough endoplasm reticulum. This is the smooth endoplasm reticulum. Okay, so we discussed this. Now we have chromatin, like the complete structure of chromosome. How exactly that look like? Oh god, let me just erase it. We really don't have much time here, but still, if this is the chromosome, this upper one is the, we have two arms, P arms, and downwards the Q arm. Okay, then the center part is the centromere.